Okay, wait till I open this and you see what's in here. It's absolutely fantastic. Sorry for the noise. I'm not really sorry because the noise means I'm getting goodies. Okay. Netting. Remember I said I wanted to try netting? Now I have netting to try. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the box out the way and take out things one at a time and just show you what's here. If I can get the box to sit without my blinds trying to close the box. Right, okay. So we have these full length nail tips. Now I could use these on my own fingers or I could use them for swatching in practice. Now the funny thing is I only asked on a video this morning where someone had got their tips for display practice type thing because I really needed some new ones. So this is perfect timing. Excellent stuff. Got these for around your polished bottles to show the colours. They're really great as well. They're so handy. Do you know if you've got like your things up on a shelf, it's easy. For somebody that's as short as me, I'm 5 foot and nothing. So if I've got polishes up on a shelf, it's hard to see the colours by picking up the bottles. So these are great. We have got Crystal Nail Stamping Lacquer. I've never tried this stuff, so I'm looking forward to giving that a wee go. This is Airdrop Top Coat. Oh, I'm assuming it's one of those that you just put on and it helps it dry quicker. Yeah, I think so. One of the glitters is leaked, so I've got silver sparkles everywhere. But we all know how much I love glitter, so it really doesn't bother me. Metallic flakes and rose gold. Now I've got normal gold, but I don't have rose gold, so this is perfect. I'm trying to take everything out before I show you the glitters. Apart from these. Look, biodegradable glitter. I don't have any of this. And that is gorgeous. And I love the purple one. It's not as chunky as the gold, but sorry about background noise. I've got people outside doing work in the street. Look at these leaves. Aren't they gorgeous? I can't wait to be using them. Even for photo props, if you're not putting them on your nails. Yeah, and feathers. Do you know, someone had asked just last week what you would like to see in their giveaway at, I don't know, at 2,000 subscribers, and I had said feathers for photo props. And now I've got feathers for photo props. It's like fate. These are so cute. Look, I don't want to open it up too much, but yeah, you can see it in the camera. Oh, look, I've got glitter everywhere. These stars. Everybody knows how much I love stars. And then these ones are the solid stars. They're not hollow. They're lovely. Absolutely lovely. Look at this. Look at this. A storage tub that's full of dots. Dot glitters. Oh, sorry, I took that totally out of frame there. But yeah, I don't have any big dot glitters at all, because I haven't ordered any yet. So I'm going to have fun playing with these. And now, wait till you see what I've got. You're going to be so jealous. So we've got wee hollow Mickey Mouse shapes. Disclaimer, if you're under 18, don't watch. Yeah, I'm sure we can all see what that is. But they're holographic, so look at this mix. That's so cool. Look at that. Wee flowers and hexes. Yeah, I love the wee orange flowers, they're so cute. We have got, look, it's like a chameleon glitter. I don't know if you're going to see that on camera very well because of the lighting, but yeah, lovely. Look, the wee holographic love hearts cut out in the middle. Love these. I think I've got plain red ones, but I don't have hollow ones. Look at this glitter, look at this. It's pink. Again, the lighting's pretty crap today, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's a lovely pink. It's a proper pink. It's not rose, it's not, yeah, it's just lovely. Look at these. They're so iridescent. It doesn't matter what you put that on, I think. It'll be a good colour. Because it'll change slightly depending on what colour you put it on top of. So yeah, into them. Lips. If you watched my come shop with me video, I was looking at lips in Kiko store. But I didn't buy them, so this is brilliant. Blue flakies, foil flakies, they are gorgeous. You can see the colour, stunning. There's other flakies as well, these are gorgeous too. Oh, just look. Beautiful. And these ones, it's like western stuff. There's cowboy boots and cowboy hats and horses' heads. You're not going to be able to see this on the camera because of the light. You can sort of see it. That's so cool. A pink iridescent like the yellow, so that'll change colour slightly when it goes on black rather than a lighter colour and such like. Gorgeous. And then we've got the flakies but the purple ones. Oh, they're so nice, so nice. And we've got awareness ribbons. They're gorgeous. I was actually looking at them to order them on Smiley's. Was it Smiley's? Somewhere. I've got them in a basket somewhere. So I might still buy them and use them for a giveaway myself actually. Because I think these are good to have with so many campaigns throughout the year. They're good to have. Look at this. It's like silver hollow with iridescence and mixed sized hexes. It's lovely. It's not silver, but it is silver, but it's got a blue reflect. I think there's some blue glitter in there. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at them getting all out of line. Don't like that, don't like that. Red and silver hexes. Look, you can do loads with these because you can add them to glitters that you've got. If they're fine glitters, you can add these just to give it a wee bit more depth on your nail. So just add a few at a time. Look at these hearts. How perfect are these? So nice, so nice. And here is the bugger that's been leaking everywhere. It's a silver metallic. It's not ultra fine, but it's a fine glitter, which is the ones that I use the most. So that's perfect. So I want to say a huge thank you to Julie. I hope that remember that I've got the netting as well. It's here at the side, folks. Huge thank you. It's not Julie at all. Oh goodness. It's Jo, not Julie. So I want to say thank you to Jo. This is an amazing giveaway and I'm so excited that I won this. I can't believe that it's all mine. So thank you for watching. If there's anything you'd like a closer look at, swatches or whatever, give me a shout in the comments and I will do a closer up video for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.